So we start off today's video with a hair color transformation. So she starts off with shoulder length brunette hair. Oh, wow. Gorgeous sandy blonde. This is absolutely such a gorgeous color. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video will feature a variety of hair transformations, so if you are thinking of doing something different with your hair, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who is getting their hair colored. She ended up going with this really pretty soft sky blue variation. This is such a gorgeous shade. Absolutely love that hair transformation. And then we kick things off with yet another cut and trim. This particular stylist is absolutely amazing at doing these well-blended color variations, using a lot of lowlights, highlights, just brilliant color work. Absolutely stunning. I love how the hair always has such a nice sheen to it when she gets done as well. So we move on to someone who has long dark hair. The stylist cuts the hair about midway, mid-length. Beautiful, nice simple chic mid-length cut for that one. Her hair also looks very shiny. Such a gorgeous sheen to the strands and a beautiful haircut. Next up we have another hair color transformation. So this is that same stylist that really knows how to do the color. She really does an amazing job at blending in and doing this really impressive shade work. I am definitely a fan. And And as I'm looking at her process, I am wondering how long this actually takes. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. So we have Philip Wolf doing the next hair color transformation. Looks like he's going bold with this one. Fun mix of purple, pink, and blue. Absolutely stunning. So we have the stylist doing a hairstyle on this really pretty chestnut colored hair. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will of course see you in the next one.